Hello my lovelies, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel Manisha Fashionista, and if you are new to my channel, I am Manisha. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon too, so that you can get more update about my new videos. So this video is all about Neha Kakkar's favorite CTM products from Organic Harvest, as she has done a collaboration with the brand. So here I am with all these products. I am going to use these products first time, and I am going to share my first impression, and I am going to show you demo in the same video. With this, I am also going to share how to use these products, how to follow CTM regime in your skincare routine, and what are the benefits and importance of CTM. So for more details, let's get into the video. So I have ordered all the products from Smitten, and it costed me around $199. So this is the box. With this I also received a small pouch. So let me show you all the product. So the first product is 3-in-1 face wash, cleansing, scrubbing and whitening. This is 20 ml small bottle. I wanted to try first, so I have ordered the trial pack from Smitten. Next product is toner, which is organic green cucumber toner, alcohol free. So this is the small bottle of this as well. With this there is a moisturizer kind of a product, which is organic daily day cream with sea salt. So this is the bottle. With this I also got a serum face mask. With all these I also received a $499 pouch free of cost with these products. Very excited to show you one more thing. With this products I also received a letter kind of a thing from Organic Harvest. In this it's written, "Hey there, welcome to the organic lifestyle. These products are 100% organic and have no harsh chemicals. I'm glad you have joined us in our mission to make the world better, a beautiful place to live in and live it better than we found it. Discover my favorite picks from Organic Harvest on Smitten. I hope you love them as much as I do." So there is Neha Kakkar's signature over here. I love this, yeah. So these are all products. I'm going to show you the demo. Before that, I'll tell you how important is CTM routine in your daily skincare regime. So what is CTM? CTM means everybody know, which is cleansing, toning and moisturizing, but this is the most effective and trusted skincare routine from years. So if you follow this regime, it will give benefits to your skin for long time, and you should follow in your skincare regime. And if you start following these steps from a younger age, it will be a bonus for your skincare for long term. So this is what CTM means. So let me tell you what is cleanser. Cleanser face wash serves the same purpose. It washes out the pollutant, dirt, excess oil from your face, makeup. It removes all of that, and also prevent not to get acne on your skin. Following with this, second step is toning. Toner removes whatever is remaining after face wash and removes all excess oil from your face, maintain pH level of your skin. With this we follow the third step, which is moisturizer. Moisturizer is the most important and last step of this regime. Moisturizer helps your skin to keep healthy, soft and supple, and also keep your skin not to dry out, and it provides moisture to your skin. So this is what the CTM products or process helps you out. How to follow this regime? Now what you can do is, you can follow this regime once a day in night, or if you require you can go for twice a day. Totally depend on your skin requirement. More than twice a day is not recommended, so I suggest you stick to twice a day or once a day. Trust me guys, if you apply all this stuff, it doesn't take much time. I suggest if you are a teenager, you should start following this regime, and if you haven't started, please start after watching this video. Maybe this video will help you. How the products are available in the market for all skin types. Are cleanser, moisturizer, toner for all skin types. So you should pick according to your skin type and according to your requirement. So this is what is all about CTM. product one by one. And first product, which is cleanser. So this is how the cleanser trial bottle look like. Organic Harvest Active 3-in-1 face wash, paraben free, instant fresh, cleansing, scrubbing and whitening. This is 20 ml bottle. And इसमें क्या क्या ingredients है? Aqua Pure, Ribos, scrubbing beads and polyquatrium. Lot of things are there. So let me use this. And ये मेरा first time है, first impression है इस bottle के साथ. So let's see how does it works. And हमें cleanser कैसे use करना चाहिए. I'll also give you the tip. So I'm going to take little bit product on my hand. इसका smell बहुत ही mild है and green color है and texture is little beady, little bit scrub kind of. See, I used to do normal face wash, but recently I have discovered Shweta Vijay's channel. She is also a YouTuber and she has shared her skincare tip in one of her video, which is 60-second face wash, and I have started since a month or so. Really बहुत कुछ help करता है वो and it works magic. You should take a cleanser in your hand like this in water and just apply on your skin like this. Rotate and massage on your cheeks like this. So if you are dividing 10 seconds here, divide 10 seconds here, 10 seconds here. So after face wash or cleanser, this is how my face looks like. With this skincare CTM pack, I also received a serum mask. So I'm going to apply this. You can skip in your CTM routine. So this is the serum mask, which is certified organic serum Fix and Gold Dust, as I told you. So I'm going to apply and keep it for few minutes. This is how the sheet looks like. So whatever product is left over my skin, I'm going to just massage all over my face. If you like applying face mask, I have also created a DIY mask video, so you can go and check that video as well. I'll give you in the I button as well, so you can watch that video. You can make homemade DIY face mask from Home Remedies. So that video is also amazing video for you guys. You can go and watch. So after applying a face mask, see, my skin is really glowing and I feel rejuvenated because it gives so much of moist on my face, because my skin is oily, not dry skin. For dry skin, it's best to use face mask for them. It gives moisture to your face. Next step or next product, which is a toner. And so you can apply a toner by a cotton pad, or even you can use a spray thing, but whenever using, just shake the bottle or just take it in a cotton pad and just dab it. Smell is again a fruity smell. Let me see. It's organic green cucumber toner, alcohol free. So just go like this. Just dab with cotton pad. Let the toner dry naturally on your skin. So after toning, this is how my face looks. So now the third step is moisturizer. So this is the bottle. Organic Daily Day Cream Anti-Pollution with SPF 30 with sea salt extract. So इसमें I think sunscreen जैसा भी कुछ ingredients है जो हमें sunscreen के लिए use होते हैं. So this is the product. So ऐसा creamy सा है. Again a very mild smell. Whichever moisturizer you're applying, just apply and massage into your skin, face properly. So this is how my face looks after CTM. So as you have seen the demo that how to use all the products and how to apply, so now I'll share you my first impression with these products. So the first product is cleanser. As I have mentioned in the video in demo that it has little bit texture and it has a little bit beads in it, so I'll prefer to use this face wash as a scrub, and I won't use it on daily basis, so I'll use twice a week or something like that, because I don't think so I will be able to use it as a face wash on regular basis, because so there are some granules inside, so I'll prefer to use it as a scrub, not as a cleanser. So let me tell you about toner. I have used so many toners till now. I have never felt tickling sensation or थोड़ा बहुत जलन की sensation feel हो रही थी मुझे. Here it's mentioned it's alcohol free, so I'll give it a second thought before using next time this toner, because I've never faced any problem with using any other toner. So that is what the only problem I felt after using this toner or applying this toner. So this was my first impression with the toner. So the next product is a day cream. So the fragrance of all the products are very mild. That's not that strong smell. The texture of this product, I felt like a Colgate toothpaste kind of texture, honestly. With that, when I have applied this moisturizer, I don't know why, but I was feeling little sweaty on my face, because I'm very choosy about my moisturizer, as I have a sensitive skin. I'm very picky about my moisturizers. I'm using since like 4 to 5 years the Lakme Absolute moisturizer. For videos only I do experiment for makeup or something like that, but otherwise I'm very picky about it. So I will give it a second thought for this product as well, as it was giving me sweat a lot. So I will think about this as well. Other product with all this was a face mask, which is awesome, guys. If you have a dry skin, please pick Organic Harvest face serums. इसमें सीरम भर के भरा हुआ है. I mean, इतना मस्त है कि आपकी स्किन को इतना बढ़िया हाइड्रेट करता है और इतने अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज होती है. जिनकी ड्राई स्किन है उनके लिए तो बेस्ट है. सो आई लव द मास्क एंड आई हैव यूज्ड बिफोर ऑल्सो ऑर्गेनिक हार्वेस्ट मास्क एंड वन ऑफ द face wash as well, but I forgot because at that time I was not doing YouTube or anything, so I don't remember how was the product. But I have used face mask. I'm telling you guys, trust me, this was awesome. Serum is filled like anything and it works wonders. It doesn't dry out quickly as we use other face masks. As soon as you apply other masks, within 10 minutes or something it dries out. After 20 minutes also there was lot of serum inside the face mask, and when I have removed the face mask also it was lot of serum remaining on the mask. So I'm telling you, this was the best product in all of this. I will finish this product or either I'll give it to someone else in my family, because I am not that happy with the product. I don't want to hamper my skin by using this product again and again, so I'll give it a second thought on this product. So my recommendation is that if you are not a sensitive skin person, you can go for the product, and if you are sensitive skin person, give it a second thought, or either you can buy products from Smitten and try it. If it works for you, go and buy from Smitten a full-fledged product. So this is what my final verdict is. And if you have not started CTM in your skincare regime, please start after watching this video. And if you have started CTM regime in your skincare routine after watching my video, please comment down and let me know. That's it for this video, guys. Hope this video helps you out. After this also, if you have any issues, you want to ask me anything, you can DM me on Instagram. We can be friends and we can talk about it, and maybe I can help you. And that's it for this video, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give a big fat thumbs up to this video. बहुत सारे लोग वीडियो देख रहे हैं पर सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. Please share this video with everyone. Don't forget to comment down. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and don't forget to follow me on my website which is www.manishafashionista.com, and I write amazing blogs there. If you are a reader, please go and visit that website as well. All the links are in description below. Thank you for watching, guys.